Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni or watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we have discussed these topics: factors and multiples, HCF, methods of finding HCF of more than two numbers, LCM, methods of finding LCM, and important results, coprimes. In this section, we will discuss HCF and LCM of fractions, HCF and LCM of decimals. Let us start our section. Coming to first one, HCF and LCM of fractions. We have the formulas for both HCF and LCM. Here the formula of HCF is HCF of numerators by LCM of numerators. Coming to LCM, the formula is LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Let us see example of HCF and LCM of fractions for better understanding. HCF and LCM of fractions. Let us see one example. HCF and LCM of 1 by 2, 7 by 3 and 4 by 6. We have to find HCF and LCM. We have formulas. The HCF of fraction is the HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. Coming to LCM, the formula is LCM of numerators by HCF of numerators. First, we have to find HCF of numerators. Here the numerators are 1, 7, 4. We find HCF of numerators. The HCF of 1, 7, 4 is 1. So, place 1 here and LCM of denominators. Here 2, 3, 6 is the denominators. So, LCM of denominators are 6. So, place 6 here. This is the answer for HCF of fractions. Coming to next one, LCM of fractions. LCM equal to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. Here numerators 174. The LCM of 17, 4 is 28. Place 28 here and HCF of denominators are denominators 2, 3, 6. The HCF is 1. So place 1 here. This is the answer for the LCM of fractions. These are the examples of HCF and LCM of fractions. Coming to next one, HCF and LCM of decimals. For finding HCF and LCM of decimals, following some steps. The step number 1 is convert each of the decimals to like decimals, and the second step is remove the decimal point and find the highest common factor and least common multiple as usual. And third step is in the answer put the decimal point as there are a number of decimal places in the like decimals. Let us see one example for having better understanding. So finding LCM and HCF of decimals. Let us see one example. LCM of 1.2 and 9.0. The first step we have to remove the points and next we have to find out the factors of both. Here I remove the points and find the factors. Factors of 12 is 2 square into 3 and factors of 90 is 2 into 3 square into 5. The LCM of 12 and 90 is 180. Here the point is placed before the one digit. So I have to place the point before the one digit. 18.0. The LCM of 1.2 and 9.0 is 18.0. Coming to next example for better understanding. LCM of 1.5 and 2.0. First you have to remove the point and find the factors. Here I find multiples. 15, 20, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105 and 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Here the least common multiple of 15 and 20 is 60. Right, here the point is placed before the one digit. So I have also placed the point before one digit. The LCM of 1.5 and 2.0 is 6.0. Coming to HCM, the HCM of 1.5 and 2.0 is, first you have to find the factors of 15 and factors of 20. The factors of 15 is 3 into 5. The factors of 20 is 2 square into 5. Here the common factor is 5. So HCF is 5. Here the point is placed before one digit. So I am also placed the point before one digit. It becomes 0.5. The HCF of 1.5 and 2.0 is 0.5. This is the example of methods of finding LCM and HCF of decimals. This is the concept of HCF and LCM of fractions and HCF and LCM of decimals. Up to now, all these topics completed. So, entire LCM and SCF of topics are completed. In our next sections, we will discuss about decimal fractions. In this section, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.